Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the hollow pyramid in C language. So yes, what is a hollow pyramid? So I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way. So hollow means in between there is a no star, so we can use the asterisk sign. So yes, just I double click in C Turbo C++ and then yes open, take new file, and here definition write a program to print hollow star pyramid. Okay, so yes, what is a hollow star triangle pyramid? First we can shape the triangle, then convert into the pyramid. So you have to know very well the asterisk sign here that use. So yes, and then first asterisk, and then here that type of hollow, that in between there is a blank. Okay, so that is a hollow shape. So we can move in middle of the screen so we can look better way. So here that type, and next line there are 5, so we can print only 2. Here first is a 1 and directly 3. Okay, and then 5, then 7. So that type of that meaning. So here is now 7. So we can print only 2, and last is a 9, but we can print all one blank and then print all star. So that is a Philip. Yes, so ready. So here 3 and 3, yes, 9 there is ready. So that is a hollow shape. So how it's print? Yes, so I just reference for you. So here I comment line, multi comment line, and some yes asterisk use, and here we can start our coding, and that's the stdio.h header file, standard input output, and console sonio.h. Yes, and here void main. Yes, and then we can start our declaration of variable. So I j, yes, and then n. Initially we can take only 3, then we can take more variable if required. So here we can first scan the n variable, enter number of rows. So how many row you have to print, and that is a n. Okay, so percentage d and ampersand n. Then we can take the for loop, and I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, then I plus plus. So I here explain the step by step how to we can that type hollow shape of pyramid. So here next for loop j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, and j plus plus in between semicolon. Yes, so yes, and now only one printf statement inner for loop, and that is a asterisk sign. Okay, and now we can print the s slash n. So new line for next row coming in new line. So here we can first shape as a triangle. So let us, that is a very simple, you have to know very well. In my previous number of video lecture, I first save this file. So here we can say that pyramid underscore hollow style. So yes, HOLLO, just 8 character is maximum we can give the file name. So here pyramid hollow. Okay, so yes, now yes, let us first check. I compile this file. Yes, there is no any error, and now we can file. So that is a print triangle shape, and now we can first convert this triangle to pyramid. So, and also in print in the center middle of the our screen. So we can change here. First we can take one integer variable and provide the space. So in here I take one for loop, and sp equal to, here we can take initially 1, then SP less than 40 because our screen column size is 80. So here we can give 40 and provide the blank page. So that is a middle of the screen. So every element go in shifting the 80 page and then print. So yes, that is we can done. And let us check how triangle first print. Yes, so that is a middle of the screen. Element go in the middle of part of our screen. And now our goal there is we can first that convert into the triangle shape to pyramid. So here I just SP equal to I, and there is here I provide one blank. So let us check how it's print. So yes, now triangle convert into the pyramid, but that shape only change. But our requirement is a first we can like a 1, then directly 3 is there, and then 5, and then 7, and then 9. So that is we can say that odd number of asterisk star is printed, or here asterisk sign. So yes, first we can some decoration and then we can print. So I just give the color. Yes, and you to know very well here text color is there, text color. Yes, and here I pass just I plus 1. So that different, and here we not a simple printf, C printf. So that is a taking window to our output and taking the color. So let us take how it's color. So yes, so that is a very attractive lookup of that every star is looking the better in color form. And also we can blink. So here I just plus and blink, that is a constant, and here yes, so 5, yes, that is a blinking now, very simple. So now that is a blinking. Yes, so yes, now we can convert into the original, that is a we can just triangle shape to the pyramid, but now we can also pyramid shape exactly. So what change in this coding? So here we can first here n multiply 2 because we can enter only 5 row, but our goal is a 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So that type of loop is a repetition. So n we cannot change to our like we can enter only 5, but that row is only 5, but we can up to 10 because that uh, start the series is a one element and directly 3. So here we require plus equal to 2. So that is a full form. I just I equal to I plus 2. So that is a full form. So increment 1 and directly 3 is required. So that type of meaning. So I just that is reference. So that is a compound assignment operator. Compound, that is short technique. Any statement there are same variable used in 2 times, that time you can plus equal to use. So that is for your reference. And also yes, that now what other change is required. So here yes, we can hollow, that is shape is a triangle. Let us first check that print in our require element or not. So yes, now yes, there is our require element is printed. 1 directly 3, yes, next 5, next 7, and next 9. That is our shape originally is a pyramid like look. So that is a very simple, we can apply our logic. Okay, so now we can convert in hollow style. So in between that star we have to not print it. So we can take some condition, that is important. So here I if condition provide, and that if j equal to 1 and logical or operator. So that is a print left side, we can say that left side star, and j equal to I, that is a print in the, you can say that our right side asterisk, but here that is a I equal to j. Okay, but we have to multiply n in above. So here we can also multiply n. Okay, Okay, no, here is not required, but in our condition in last element that require. So here I equal to n. Yes, but n is a multiply. We can say that 2. Okay. So let us take how it's print and that all two statement because we have to in if condition. So here we can provide the if condition. So other are what printing if that condition is false then else part we can also take and that is a just blank. So our goal is a complete. Let us take yes I provide two blank because that is a required. So let us check how it's yes first what happened. Yes here parenthesis is there if condition okay in between I give the semicolon because that is for loop habit. So yes there is no require any and also one parenthesis that is needed. So here I equal to 1 yes that all and j equal to I and here logical and or operator is required. So that is giving the parenthesis that now is okay and now yes last row is not printed that is our left and right is completed yes and now how we can because that is not a match because one we can see in trace that time we have to here I give the -1 so that is exactly required to our element is printed yes now is good so that is a hollow star we can say that hollow so how that is finding we can trace our logic so we can find how it's print so that is hollow pyramid so that is exactly our requirement. We can say that that is print. So yes, now we can trace then check our logic what is happening this. So here alter W and taking the watch window and yes alter W and taking the output window and our star is already blinking. Yes, that is a blinking. Yes, that complete. So now here I give the element so here I, then J, yes, and then N, yes. So yes, I, J, N, there are three, and SP is not required because that only give the blank page to middle of our screen. So you have to know very well R here we can trace information. So F7 function key. So I first go and then start. Yes, I give the 5 row. Yes, and then first outer that our main loop is outer for loop and I equal to initial n is 5 but I is garbage value. So now is 1 and I 1 so 1 to 40 so 39 pace is provided so that time I just F7 is printed so all pace here you can look or output window that cursor go here so that number of time yes now is complete and let us here is blinking our that pace 39 that cursor is blinking and now inner for loop is start second and that j equal to 1 yes j equal to 1 so that condition is true j equal to 1 so that is our first s star or asterisk sign is print yes that is printed yes look so yes that is a print but here not we can see yes now is printed so that is a blinking and then I just press F7 so now yes now is printed so let us take first asterisk sign blink and print so here I go yes that is blink and print in now because we cannot press F7 so that is not printed now is printed first that is our requirement now slash and taking new line and then further I is plus plus so I directly jump to 3 not 1 because that is our requirement now 3 asterisk but in between 1 is blank is required so first that condition is repetition and 37 blank page because I is 3 so that number of minus because we directly assign SP is a 3 and 3 to 40 40 so 37 some 37 6 page is give so I just F7 number of time and that position that reach yes that reach yes look at the cursor yes that cursor is blinking over exactly star that is a second row and that is a here printed yes now I equal j that condition in a loop now j turn and j initialize 1. Yes, so j equal to 1, that condition is true. So over that, if one condition is true, then or, so that is a not check any other, because that if that false, then this check, and this false, then this. So we can logical or and binding the three condition in one if condition. Okay, so now blinking, coloring, and now C printf. Yes, that is red color. Yes, that is a blinking, and require position, that is print. And now J plus plus. Yes, J plus plus. So J equal to not 1. Yes, and J equal to I not, and I equal to n multiply 2. So n is 5 multiply 10 and minus 1. So 9. I equal to 9. No, there is no condition. All are false. So one blank is required in between, because next star is print in that position. So that if condition is false, yes, one two blank, because here one and then here and then go here. So we can, here blank space is provided. So here we can two blank. So two blank is yes, that position now taking cursor here blinking. Yes, and now I equal to j is condition is true, that condition is false, but that condition is checked true because logical or operator. So any one is true, then if condition is true, so I equal to j is condition true. So that is blinking, coloring, and then print our required position. Yes, look, I print. Yes, now let us look. I just show you output window that is printed. Yes, so between hollow, that is blank. So next third row, I just, yes. So now I plus plus and I is 5. So directly I 3 and plus equal to, that is I equal to I plus. I just reference for you comment line. So here there is 3 plus 2, so 5. So and 5 is minus in 40 because that is assigned directly SP. So that is a directly count in 5 to 40. So that is 35 blank space is 36 or 30, because we cannot equal sign. So that is 35. Okay, now I press F7 and that I just press F7 all, like look in the here output, that cursor reach to here. So number of blank space is required. So I press yes, now that our required position, that blinking. Yes, look, that next third row start to here, because that is 5 star. So here print and then number of blank, and here is printed. Let us look how it's possible. So now j initialize 1. Yes, that condition is if true. So that is go in this if part, that block of statement. And yes, that is now first third row asterisk sign is printed. Yes, look how it's, yes, that is printed. And now j equal to not 1 because j is plus plus, so 2. I equal to j, that condition is also false because I is 5 and j equal to 2. And I equal to n multiply minus, so n is 5 and 2, then 10 minus 9. So there is our last star is a 9. So all are printed in this condition. So that is not a, so left, right, and bottom, that is a condition that print our left element star, that print in the right element star, and that condition print in the bottom of the our pyramid. So that is a three condition we have to bind hollow. Okay, so that is a require only three side of pyramid. Okay, so I just press F7, that condition is false, then two blank is yes. Now here next time also false because there is a 5. So 5 minus 2, so there is a required to 3 blank. So here we can provide also 2 1 here 2 blank, because here also blank, so here, so that separate asterisk sign. Otherwise you cannot take here blank, so here also you cannot take blank space. So now that condition again false, all are false, and then go in else part. Yes, now is go. And now is also that is not taking like I equal to 5 and j, that all condition is false, then all for the third time because there are 3. Yes, now is okay, I equal to j is true because j plus plus. So that is now cursor is blinking, you have to watch in output window, just select, and yes, that is our desired position, reach that third row. So now I press F7. Yes, that condition I j, that middle condition, because that is a, that condition I equal to j equal to 1, and that element right side, that is a j equal to I. and bottom that last row print by this condition I say in previous part. So now that condition is true, yes, that our element is print, yes. I look at in output window, that is a third row, yes, that is a printed. So now you can understand slash n, that is a turn of outer for loop, yes, directly I 5 to 7, yes, now require to 7 star, but in between not print. So I just pass this call, and now our required position that reach and that one asterisk, because that is a left, so j equal to 1, that is a print all left element of star, and yes, that is printed. Look at the output window, yes, that is printed. Now again here you can see that is condition is now all 3 or 4 times that false, yes, that condition is false, j uh, plus plus, so that is not possible. Yes, now go in blank to blank, now again that false, because not a j equal to 1, j equal to I, and I equal to and multiply 2 minus 1, so that is not yes, that blank, yes. Further j plus plus, so that time also false, yes, that like 5, that okay, now last, that is also not print, and now is true because I equal to j, that is our required argument. So there are 5 times false, because in between there is 1, and here 1 on between 5 blank space, because 7 star but 5 blank space, and here we can provide 2 blank, so 10 blank space is provided at a time 2. Okay, so now yes, that is print, yes, I think yes, the I equal to, that is our right side printed. So yes, that now print, yes, let's look in the, and that is our, yes, that is a printed, so that is a 4 row. Now what happened, yes, last row print, that is bottom of our pyramid, and all asterisk sign we can need to print. How it possible, let us know any blank in between. So yes, that is now yes, blank, yes, yes, no, all blank are that, and that now I think 9, I equal to 9, so that is less in 40, because we can sp assign to 9, so directly 9 blank space is less in 40. Yes, so yes, now is okay, and our yes, that desired position is blinking or cursor, look at that, here is blinking, so that is a blinking, that is last row, and j initialize 1, yes, that, and all are that handle last condition if, because I equal to n multiply 2 minus 1, so 9, all time I is 9, so that is a printed all 9 asterisk sign, yes, condition is true, then first asterisk sign is printed. Again I equal to 9, the I is there not changed, so all that if condition, that I j equal to first time true, but now j is 2, so that condition is false. J equal to not I, so that condition is false, and now but that condition is all last row, all element that time printings. Now that is second, yes, that print 2 asterisk sign in one, yes, that again one blank space provide to here, and that asterisk sign. So now I equal to 9, so all time that is printed one by one, last row. So here look at all I give now first, yes, so that is printed all time, that is true, and that is a last time, yes, that are both condition true, I equal to j equal to I, and also I equal to 9. So here last element over, yes, only one is required. Yes, now is printed slash n, but j equal to 10, condition is false, and now directly I plus plus, so I is 11, so our main loop is false, that is very important. Our main loop is false, equal to, but here 10, but here is 11, directly I 9 plus 2, so 11 is reached. So we can, one important point you have to note down here, we can minus 1, so up to 9 element, that is our fifth row is printed. So that is very important logic, very simple but very important. So our pyramid hollow is a printed all element, look in the output, and also now in, yes, that is printed. So I hope you can understand very, I trace line by line how it's print, how, what is a logic. Okay. So, and also we can print that in reverse order, that is also possible. So I just And also you can provide the background color or delay function. So first we can use delay function. You have to know very well those.h, and I give 500. So some compiler wait and then print. That is a delay. That name function itself, that meaning that is some waiting compiler, and suspend, and we can say that suspend sometime, and that those.h. So you cannot understand meaning. Let us help man alter h, and here that those, yes, that is those.h, and the function name is a delay, but we have to find out here. So we directly type here delay, yes, that reach, and here you can read the that is a suspended execution time for interval millisecond. In millisecond, that is measurement. So, and here void delay unsigned millisecond. So we can 500 millisecond, 500. So that time is execution is suspended temporary. So that some type delay, and our goal is complete. And let us first print how it's print delay. So that is waiting and printing. Yes. So that is like magic song. Yes. Now one by one or printed. That is last. Yes. So that is now blinking, coloring, and delay. Okay. Okay. So I just copy these all things. Yes. And that all main loop and reverse order, inverse. We can say that inverse of that how it's print. So here you can let this that is I just run what happened. Yes. So that is print 2 times because we can just copy and paste. So yes, first look how it's print. Yes, that is a say 2 hollow pyramid. Okay, there are 2, but now we can reverse order, that is mirror, or you can say that let is 2. Okay, so how our main loop we can change that for loop I assign n multiply 2. Okay, and here we can also -1, and here we can I is greater than equal to 1, and that is removed. And now here minus, not plus, because that we can reverse order. Okay, and I think there is no other change. Let us first look how it's changed or not. So let us take first we can print and understand that first is no any, but some we can let us check it. Perfect print or any change is required. Yes, that I think perfect. 9 first print, and then yes, that is a better. Yes, that last. Yes, so there is no any change. So that is mirroring or reverse order, inverse of the hollow pyramid. So that is a very simple logic. Yes. So now I complete this session. Yes. So write this program to your notebook. Yes. Follow pyramid. First we can simple triangle and then convert into the pyramid, and then original pyramid and hollow, and also reverse and tracing line by line. So very simple and very important concept to your logic development in C language. So write this program to your note, and I close this Alt F3 function and that watch window, and then yes, and Alt Fs. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt for this program or any program, you can write in comment section. I definitely give the answer. Okay, thanks, and Hare Krishna.